Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to replace the brew unit. This one that you see right here basically lost all the lubricant and is just a piece of plastic, doesn't have anything in there. So this was forcing the transmission of the machine to basically push this up and down every single cycle. We had to replace that. We also re-lubricated the transmission, replaced the o-ring from the generator itself, descaled the machine, also cleaned the grinder, as the grinder had a lot of coffee buildup from using dark roast or some oily beans. Like I said, we also had to replace the spouts. You can see that it's cracked all the way. Those ones are brand new. We also clean the door and just give it a good cleaning overall. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this beautiful machine. Then we're gonna be using the steamer and then the hot water. We're gonna be grinding at the mass setting of the machine, and we're gonna be dispensing approximately 2 ounces of liquid, which should get us about here. Alright, the machine now is doing the pre-infusion and it should be delivering the coffee through here. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out from both spouts, good flow and great quantity, approximately 2 ounces of liquid. Perfect. Now we're going to be testing the steamer of the machine, and then we're going to be testing the hot water. In order to do steam, the generator on the thermal block on the back needs to get up to temperature. Once it does, water will start pulsing through the water tank into the thermal block and then out of the steamer valve. As the thermal block gets hot and the pressure increases inside the thermal block, we will see an increase of steam. Now that the thermal block is pressurizing, you can see the much stronger steam coming out of the one. And there you have it. That's nice steady steam coming out through the one. Excellent pressure and really great temperature. Burning my hand right here. Working great. We're gonna depressurize the machine, and then we're gonna be using the hot water. Now, because we just used the steamer function of the machine, the thermal block still at the same temperatures. Once it cools down, we're going to see that steady stream of hot water coming out through the one. There it is, that nice steady stream coming off the one. Excellent temperature and really great flow. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.